In today's video, I want to give you a short overview of the Fitbit app. I'll show you how to install the app, how to pair a wearable, how to use it without a wearable, the menu structure, the functions, the statistics, and how to find apps and widgets for your Fitbit wearable. Hello guys, I'm Thomas, your auto tech instructor. In my channel you will find instructions for outdoor and fitness apps, watches and GPS devices. These are the chapters of the video: installation, with or without wearables, menu structure and customization, functions and statistics, third-party apps. Smartphones with Android 8 or higher are compatible with the Fitbit app. Like most apps, it can be installed via the Google Play Store. From iOS 14, you can find the Fitbit app in the App Store. You can install it on your iPhone and iPod Touch. You create a Fitbit account on fitbit.com or during the installation and setup of the app. You can use this account to log into the app and to your profile on fitbit.com to view and edit the data you've collected. I will show you how to work with Fitbit on your desktop in another video. Follow the instructions during installation. Create an account or log in with an existing account. If you have already collected data with an account, this data now will be displayed in the app after login and synchronization. You can use the app's functions free of charge to record and display your physical values. Access to an extended analysis, an example of your sleep recording, stress and mindfulness training, as well as games and competitions, is available via the premium subscription. More on fitbit.com. Fitbit Premium is activated in my app. You usually use the Fitbit app with a Fitbit wearable. This can be fitness bands like the Inspire or the Charge, or watches like the Sense or Versa. Body scales from Fitbit can also be connected to the app. All devices are paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth. You select your device from a list. The rest of the setup process is quick. To do this, go to your profile at the top left and then to Set up a device. Select your Fitbit wearable and then tap Set up. Confirm the privacy policy, read or skip the instructions, and then hold your wearable near your smartphone. Once your wearable is found, enter the code that appears on the screen of your wearable. Your wearable will now be connected. Your location is needed to record your activity steps and training. Skip or read the instructions again and tap on Finish. To record basic values like steps, you don't need to use a Fitbit wearable. In the menu Set up a device, you will find Mobile Track at the bottom. With this option, you only record values via the sensors of your smartphone, steps and distances covered. Tap on OK, then Set up and confirm the privacy policy. You can enter further values manually in your app. To disconnect a wearable or mobile track, select it from the device list in the account menu and scroll down. Tap on Remove this wearable or Remove from account for mobile track. Depending on the features of your wearable, your Fitbit app records steps, heart rate, sleep, skin temperature, ECG, breathing rate, and more. Manually, you can access your stress levels, record how much you drink and calorie intake. For nutrition, the app uses scanned barcodes and manually recorded food data. You can also manually control and manage various training and coachings, an example for better sleep. The evaluation of the recorded values takes place via the main screen of the app. Here you get a first overview of the most important values. Behind these values, you'll find a further breakdown by days, weeks, and years. You can make manual entries and configure goals. On Fitbit.com, you can export your statistics and process them further. We'll get to that in another video. On the start page of the Fitbit app, you will find your profile photo in the top left corner. There you can make personal settings, find your subscriptions, device management, and legal information. At the top right, you will receive notifications from friends and about activities in your account. Swipe down once to synchronize the app with the paired wearable. At the top center is a monitor with one or more values. You can configure this freely after a long touch or via the Edit button. Add values with the plus button or delete the displays with the X button. With drag and drop, you can determine the order of these values. Below this, further values are displayed, the order of which you can also set by using drag and drop. Values can be added in the additional stats list. Tap on Add button behind the value. Use the X button to remove the display. Once you have adjusted your start page to your liking, tap on Done in the top right corner. Behind some values you will see a plus symbol. Here you can enter values manually or start a workout on the app. At the bottom left by the Fitbit symbol you will return to your start screen. Discover provides you with further content such as competitions, games, training, apps, instructions and, of course, Fitbit products. The community item shows your friends in Fitbit and the groups you've joined. The premium button takes you to your premium features. You can install apps on your wearable. You can find a list in the Account, Settings, Third-Party Apps menu. There you can also see whether your wearable supports these apps. It is also possible, for example, to share data with your Apple Health app. I use the app PowerSync for this. You can also pair your Fitbit app with other outdoor apps. I share activities with the Outdoor Active app. You can find a complete step-by-step guide for Komoot in the playlist at the top left. I show you how my maps from Google works in the playlist on the bottom left. I'm Thomas, your Outdoor Tech instructor, and I'm looking forward to your comments and ratings. See you in the next video.